Welcome to Aon Prodigal Picks, your go-to channel for top product reviews, backyard upgrades, and everything you need to enjoy life at home. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best above-ground pools in 2025, the perfect way to beat the heat and turn your backyard into a summer oasis. From quick setup models to extra durable family-sized pools, we've rounded up the best options for every budget, space, and style. Whether you're planning pool parties, relaxing weekends, or fun for the kids, we've got something for you. Sweat Droplets will break down the key features, pros and cons, and what makes each pool worth your money this year. So grab a cold drink, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's make a splash with our top 5 picks. Number 5. Bestway Power Steel Above Ground Swimming Pool. The Bestway Power Steel range brings the joy of a pool to your backyard with ease and style. These pools feature robust, corrosion-resistant steel frames and Tri-Tech or DuraPlus liners, 3-layer PVC core constructions engineered to resist punctures and UV damage, delivering standout durability and a sleek, modern look. The easy click-and-lock seal and lock system means no tools are needed, allowing most users to assemble a medium-sized pool, like the 14-foot by 8-foot oval, within a single afternoon. Just spread the ground cloth, snap on the rails, and start filling. nypost.com. A ChemConnect dispenser and included filter pump help maintain water hygiene, though some users recommend upgrading the cartridge filter for better clarity. In daily use, these pools shine as versatile family hubs. Owners praise their generous dimensions, big enough for splashing, floating, and even light exercise without overwhelming backyard space. Pump performs acceptably for basic upkeep. Many reviewers suggest stepping up to a sand filter for improved efficiency. A few noted that ladder stability and cartridge quality could be better, but these minor drawbacks have little impact on overall enjoyment. In sum, the Bestway Power Steel is a fantastic mid-range pick. It's easy to set up, durable, family-friendly, and ready for summer fun. Just be mindful you might want to enhance the filtration system. Number 4. Intex Easy Set. The Intex Easy Set pool lives up to its name by offering one of the most user-friendly setups on the market. Within just 10 to 15 minutes, you can inflate the top ring, connect the pump, and start filling it with water. Perfect for families eager to cool off without the commitment of a permanent pool. Its range of sizes means you can choose the perfect fit for your yard, whether it's for small children or a few floating adults. Once filled, the pool naturally rises as the water level increases, creating a surprisingly sturdy structure. It's an ideal choice for renters or homeowners looking for seasonal fun without breaking the bank. While the Intex Easy Set offers great value, there are a few things to keep in mind. The included filter pump works fine for basic use, but it may struggle with larger pools or high-debris environments. Many users choose to upgrade it for better performance. The key to a successful setup is perfectly level ground. Even a slight slope can lead to uneven water distribution or leaks. Some users also recommend purchasing a ground cloth and cover separately to extend the pool's life. Still, for an affordable, quick solution to summer heat, the Intex Easy Set delivers convenience, comfort, and hours of enjoyment. Number 3. Bestway Steel Pro Max. The Bestway Steel Pro Max stands out as a strong option for families seeking an above-ground pool that balances durability and ease of setup. With its corrosion-resistant steel frame and reinforced Tri-Tech liner, 15% more tear and puncture-resistant than standard PVC, the pool holds up to energetic activities like kids splashing and even a family dog hopping in. Many reviewers report setup takes just 45 minutes to an hour. Using the intuitive click-connect joints without needing tussle accommodates several adults comfortably, making it excellent for both family use and casual lounging. While the pool's build quality and overall value consistently draw praise, some say it even looks like a $600 pool. The bundled filter pump often fails to meet expectations. Many users recommend upgrading to a more robust pump or sand filter system to maintain water clarity and circulation. Additionally, some report minor leaks at hose connections and thin seams if the unit isn't installed on a leveled, prepped surface. For the best results, use a ground cloth underneath, level the base thoroughly, and consider a pump upgrade. Then you're set for seasons of fun with minimal fuss. Number 2. Intex Rectangular Frame Above Ground Swimming Pool. The Intex Rectangular Frame Pool is a fantastic backyard upgrade, large enough for the whole family, yet surprisingly easy to assemble. With a durable liner and powder-coated steel frame, it offers a sense of quality that belies its price. The design eliminates the need for tricky welding or complex building. Just level the ground, snap together the frame, and start filling. Reviewers report it holds 3 to 4 adults comfortably, making it ideal for swim sessions, water play, or even casual laps. If you're after a convenient, roomy pool that fits narrow patios better than round models, this one ticks all the boxes. While reliable overall, owners should be aware that uneven ground or improper setup can cause frame issues, like T-joint connectors loosening or slight bowing of walls. Common advice includes double-checking leg alignment and ensuring a flat surface to prevent leaks or stress poi. Additionally, poor water circulation in corners may lead to algae buildup. Using a cover and running the filter consistently helps maintain clarity. With proper site prep, a level base, optional ground cloth, and ongoing filter usage, this pool can deliver great seasonal enjoyment without major hitches. Number 1. Intex Ultra XTR. The Intex Ultra XTR stands out as a premium choice in above-ground pools, combining robust construction, ease of setup, and generous size. Available in round, rectangular, and oval variants, up to 24 by 52 in deep, it features a galvanized steel frame with double powder coating, ensuring excellent rust resistance. The tool-free snap-lock assembly design simplifies setup, even on larger models, allowing a family to have it ready in just an hour. Reviewers frequently praise the durable liner, sturdy frame, and inclusion of essential accessories like a sand filter pump, ladder, ground cloth, and cover. In everyday use, the Ultra XTR consistently earns commendation from owners. Families and Reddit users report it is easy to maintain, while some advise upgrading the included pump for longer-term efficiency. The included sand filter pump generally performs well and helps keep water clear, though some recommend stepping up pump capacity for larger layout. While it's pricier than basic frame pools, homeowners appreciate that the cost reflects higher build quality and longevity, making it a compelling investment for summer enjoyment. With thoughtful installation and a few optional upgrades, the Ultra XTR delivers a reliable, family-friendly pool experience with a professional touch. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.